So how you guys doing? I got a little trade breakdown I want to do today for you guys, and it's a trade I took on the 10th of April. So we head to the chart, shall we? So this is this was the day that I took the trade. So now if we bar replay actually, yeah, we can bar replay this. So actually we'll bar replay all the way here, shall we? Anyway, so when I went into the day, this is what I was seeing, right? We had price come up, break above the previous weekly high, and then we had a close above, and then a come back into the zone. You can see a nice little rejection off the zone. That's where we were at, right? Anyway, so go down to the hourly. Then Asia just continued pushing off, and well, I was looking for further upside at this point. For the rejection of the previous week high after breaking above it. So all the zones I was looking at was we had Asia low, we had this London high, and I was tempted to use this one, but was like, there's no point. There's no point using this zone when I've got a London zone just above it. So I ignored it. And I said, okay, I'm not going to look at Asia high. I'm just going to look at that zone. We can refine this zone, and well then. So if I get my tool out from here on, I was looking for either that or that. That's all I was looking at. Either tap into the Asia low and rejection, or break above London high and then a further push off. But yeah, that's what I was looking at. So, what did price end up doing? Get out to the 15 minute, and then we go bap, 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 bap. Price is around that zone, and then I had no idea it was until bang, and then my alert. I had an alert set off, and then I think I was eating breakfast actually at the time when the alert went off, and then I went upstairs, saw that 5 minute, boom. Anyway, play this out. Then we've had a rejection of the zone from the 5 minute. So if we get our entry tool, and if the entry price, if I remember, was 192.673 to be exact. And then when the stop was about 9.5 or 9, I think, I can't actually remember, somewhere there, and take profit was way above. But anyway, that was the trade entry. And then as you can see, play this out. Well, yeah, shoots up a bit, shoots up a bit. Yeah, it's just constantly making, higher highs, higher lows. But hey, right? Continues a bit, and then it drops, and then it plays around, and then that's when I close. Actually, I close at 7.5 pips, which, well, I'll show you the screenshot of the trade I took, which is that one just there, although you can't actually see it through my camera. No, well, you'll get the screenshot anyway. There it is. So that was a trade because I took a entry and closed it at 1 o'clock, where just before New York opened, and it was a US CPI release later that day, so I had no interest in holding it through. And yeah, there was little volume as well because, well, there was anticipated lots of volume later on in the day, as you can see. That huge drop. Look at that. That was a trade I took on Wednesday, and yeah, that was what I was looking for. Yeah, that was the process I was thinking through, and yeah, actually, if I show you what happened also, as you can see, If I draw an Asia high, we had the first 30 minutes, price broke above. Price broke above, came down, rejected it, gave a nice rejection candles. And instead, if I have taken an entry from there, I would have secured about 16 pips rather than 7.5, but oh well, doesn't really matter. I decided to enter above this zone. They're both correct, they're both within the strategy. It's just that on the day I wasn't looking at Asia High because of the London zone that's just above it. I was like, well, there's a huge possibility of rejection. Do I want to open myself to that risk? So I did it. But anyway, so as you can see, this is how the strategy, well, this is how the approach to the market I look at. You look at Asia High, London zones. Depends on, the zones are high and the lows of the time of the day, etc., etc. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just a quick breakdown because upload dead at the minute, no videos. I get it. I'm trying to focus on training and I'm gonna show you guys the trades I take. And this was one, and there's not many trades I take in a month, so yeah, that's unfortunate. But anyway, I'll see you guys on probably the next trade I take. Maybe I'll make a random video for you guys to watch. But hey, peace.